Hi, and welcome to Adells, your cozy space for real talk, gentle vibes, and everything that makes you feel good. Before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps and means a lot. Make yourself at home. I'm going to show you how to use a manual pump step by step, starting with clean hands and a calm space. Then assembling the pump by attaching the shield to the bottle and making sure all parts are snug and secure. Gently warming the area with a warm cloth can help then position the pump so it's centered and comfortable. Begin with quick, gentle squeezes to start the flow, and once it starts, switch to slower, deeper pumps. Maintain a steady rhythm and switch sides when the flow slows down. When finished, carefully pour the milk into a clean storage container, label it with the date, and store. Safely wash all parts with warm, soapy water and let them air dry. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. And if you're doing this regularly, try to create a soft routine. Maybe put on music or light a candle. Anything that helps you feel relaxed over time. The process becomes smoother, more natural, and even soothing. Remember, it's not just about the result, but also about taking care of yourself in the moment. Be gentle with your body, trust the rhythm you find, and give yourself grace. Every time you show up, you're doing something beautiful. Don't forget to hydrate, rest, and come back whenever you need this quiet little pause in your day. I'm always here with calm and care. Just for you, this is your little ritual. Something just for you. You don't push, you don't judge, you're just calm and purposeful. And if it was a little hard today, that's fine too. Every day is different from the others, and you showed up, and that's enough. I'm really proud of you. So whenever you need this space, it will be waiting for you here, soft and reliable, just like yourself. Thank you for being here. If you felt calm and cozy, don't forget to like and subscribe.